The world is a peak. We believe there is no height we can't achieve. However, reaching the height of the others is affirmation to ourselves. With this dream, we keep on climbing. Even exceeding the height, we never stop. Transcending ourselves, we start the next journey. In 1889, when the first elevator came into being, the world was shocked. Since then, history has been rewritten, and humans have climbed to dizzying new heights with the help of elevators. In the years since, numerous elevator manufacturing companies have entered the market. Japan's Mitsubishi Electric Corporation has always led the industry with cutting-edge technology over the past 85 years. On January 1st, 1987, Mitsubishi Electric Corporation co-invested with Shanghai Mechanical and Electrical Industry Company Limited, China National Machinery Import and Export Group Company Limited, and Mitsubishi Electric Hong Kong Group Company Limited to set up the first joint venture of Japan's Mitsubishi Electric Corporation in China, Shanghai Mitsubishi Elevator Company Limited. At this point, the nameplate of Shanghai Mitsubishi has been included in the list of the world's elevator industry, and the company gradually stands out in Shanghai, which is the hub of elevator production in China. Over the past 24 years, the company has been cultivating the business all the way. Since 1993, Shanghai Mitsubishi has been number one for 18 consecutive years. And for 6 consecutive years, since 2005, Shanghai Mitsubishi has set the record for single factory production. In 2010, Shanghai Mitsubishi's sales income exceeded 10 billion RMB, with over 40,000 sets of elevators manufactured and sold. It's the first member of the 10 billion yuan club in the Chinese elevator industry. Since the launch of the joint venture, the company has manufactured more than 278,000 sets of elevators with more than 82.7 billion RMB in sales. And for each monumental project, Shanghai Mitsubishi has restarted and transcended itself once again. During the 184 days of the Shanghai Expo 2010, Shanghai Mitsubishi provided its excellent products and services to millions of guests and visitors from all over the world. In the same year, Shanghai Mitsubishi successfully won the bid for elevator equipment for Shanghai Tower, which is the highest building planned in China. With its roots in Shanghai, progressing with honors across the century, for Shanghai Mitsubishi, the honor is not only an affirmation of the past, but also a test for the future. With the business covering all of China, the brand is well recognized. Nowadays, there are hundreds of millions of people taking Shanghai Mitsubishi elevators every day, and Shanghai Mitsubishi elevators can be found in 56 countries around the world. Currently, Shanghai Mitsubishi covers a total area of 242,000 square meters, with more than 1,800 headquarter staff members. With a flagship size and top performance, Shanghai Mitsubishi is climbing the peak of China and challenging at the world level. Only when you step into the factory of Shanghai Mitsubishi can you recognize the source of its accomplishments and reputation. Shanghai Mitsubishi maintains the state-of-the-art plant with the advanced manufacturing systems, embracing world-class processing and testing equipment. The company is the first to achieve the full-range information management system, connecting manufacturing, R&D, and the supply chain Today, Shanghai Mitsubishi continues to introduce top-level equipment to expand production scale and improve the manufacturing capacity of the company. From 2007 to 2009, the company invested nearly $50 million to purchase advanced processing equipment. Meanwhile, the new Escalator factory, with a land coverage of over 53,000 square meters and modernized manufacturing capacity, has been completed and started work with an aim in sales of R1 billion. Shanghai Mitsubishi provides customers with the highest quality products by virtue of the top manufacturing system within China. Shanghai Mitsubishi has a vast product line covering many categories. To date, 40 product series with a total of more than 200 kinds of specifications have been created. The products include medium high-speed elevators, energy-efficient residential home elevators, personalized sightseeing elevators, various types of bed elevators and freight elevators, as well as a full range of escalators with high price-performance ratio. Shanghai Mitsubishi has always led the industry with its pioneering image. The company meets the customer's individual requirements with excellent products. In terms of innovation and research and development, Shanghai Mitsubishi alone has the state-level recognized enterprise technology center of the elevator industry in China. Shanghai Mitsubishi has always enhanced the company's research and development capabilities and adheres to the strategy of grasping simultaneous introduction and independent innovation with both hands. The company has taken the lead with computer-controlled VVVF elevator technology and energy feedback systems. In the 1990s, the company introduced the data network control technology and PM synchronous gearless traction technology. And since the year 2000, Shanghai Mitsubishi has taken the initiative again to introduce the machine roomless elevator, the compact machine room elevator, and Mitsubishi's unique variable speed elevator technology. Shanghai Mitsubishi has served as the pioneer, leading the elevator technological innovation of China for more than 2 decades. It's pushing the boundaries of advanced elevator technology. Shanghai Mitsubishi attaches great importance to fresh talent. Currently, R&D has 215 employees and 126 patents have already been authorized. For 24 years, Shanghai Mitsubishi has been setting the standards for elevator production and innovation in China. High-end products are not the only reason that Shanghai Mitsubishi leads the industry. The recognition of services is the greatest achievement for Shanghai Mitsubishi. The transition from production-oriented operation to service-oriented business and the industry upgrade from market expansion-based service to quality and efficiency are defined as the root and lifeblood for sustainable development of the company. Adhering to the brand strategy, constantly learning from the successful experience of experts in the field to enrich the content of services. With the leading pre-sales service, providing tailor-made products to design and construct the 3-dimensional transportation network with a full range ahead of time. Providing one-stop pre-sales and after-sales services, including sales, installation, maintenance, spare parts, repair and modification, and expanding full services. The company is the first to launch a customer service hotline and emergency hotline, product guarantees, and other innovative services. Shanghai Mitsubishi makes use of remote monitoring systems through integrated networks. Shanghai Mitsubishi prides itself on sincerity and customer satisfaction. 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, Shanghai Mitsubishi is dedicated to bringing you the enjoyment of going up and down. Shanghai Mitsubishi has been striving for better services. To date, Shanghai Mitsubishi has constructed the most comprehensive marketing services network of the industry, which comprises 7 operation centers, 49 wholly owned branches, more than 300 sales and service stations, and 15,000 staff members in Guangxi, Tibet, Hainan, and throughout China. The company strives to be the best in class, providing world-class customer service and making all of our customers our lifelong friends. Shanghai Mitsubishi assists in innovating at the forefront of the industry, setting new service levels, winning numerous awards, and leading the business community. To create the most perfect building traffic is not the only goal. Changing urban patterns, promoting the height of your life, climbing the peak of business and elevating yourself. To construct balance for the world and create harmony for social life is the destination of Shanghai Mitsubishi's voyage. Having already reached the top, what is the next target? Shanghai Mitsubishi Elevator Company Limited conserves its energy for the new mileage again among the ups and downs of the times, transcending ourselves, starting from scratch. The enjoyment of going up and down. Shanghai Mitsubishi Elevator.